Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Hostinger domain to Shopify in 2025. For that, first of all, open shopify.com in your web browser and then log into your account. Now your admin panel should look something like this, where you need to click on this settings icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now once you see a bunch of different options here, simply click on the domains, and here in the domains you will see the option of connect existing domain. Now whichever domain name you have with your Hostinger account, you need to provide the name here, and after that you need to simply press next. Now once you press next, it will show you your domains related information. So you need to open a new tab, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for hostinger.com and then log into your Hostinger account. After that you need to go in your DNS setting, and there you need to set two record. The first is the A record to Shopify IP address, and the second one would be CNAME, that is www.shop.myshopify.com. I will put these details down in the description so you can just copy from there. Then you need to save the changes in your hosting and then go back to your Shopify account. Click on the verify connection, and it is going to take a few minutes to a couple of hours to get fully updated. And this is how you can link or connect your Hostinger domain to your Shopify store. If you have found this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.